Verifying your bank account on Kaspersky VPN is an important step to ensure secure transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open Kaspersky VPN. Launch the Kaspersky VPN application on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select bank account verification. Find and select the option for bank account verification. This may be labeled as verified bank account or something similar. Step 4. Provide required information. Enter the necessary details for your bank account verification. This typically includes your bank account number, routing number, and any other requested information. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review the information you provided for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the verification request. You may receive a confirmation message or email regarding the status of your verification. After completing these steps, you should be able to verify your bank account on Kaspersky VPN successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to Kaspersky support resources for assistance.